Our next set of cables is going to be 4-stitch left leaning cable with some pearls. In order to do that, we're going to take the right hand needle, insert it through the back of the 3rd and 4th stitches, pinch the the 1st and 2nd stitches, slide 4 stitches off the left hand needle, bring the left hand needle back through those 2 loops of the first 2 stitches, and then put the 2 stitches that are on the right hand needle back onto the left hand needle. We also need to purl the first 2 stitches. And then knit 2. And that is a left leaning cable with pearls. Now I need to do a right leaning cable but without the pearls. So I'm going to make this cable lean to the right. Insert the right hand needle into the 3rd and 4th stitches, pinch the first 2 stitches, slide them off the needle, slide the left hand needle back into them, put all the stitches back on the left hand needle, and I'm going to knit 4. Now I'm going to reverse that. I'm going to make a left leaning cable. Slide 4 stitches out, put the left hand needle into the first 2 stitches, get all of them back onto the left hand needle, and knit 4. Now a right leaning cable with the pearls, with the pearls at the end. Slide the left hand needle in, hold the 2 stitches, put them back on the left hand needle, swing these around, get them back on the left hand needle, knit 2, then purl 2.